Don't be afraid to check out my other videos and ask questions there. Not just on the newest ones, I read them all. So someone asked the question, and here is the answer. But of course, I always do the what's really going on, PEZ book fans. Josh the PEZ guy here with 2 Jack in the Box dispensers. Made in Hungary. IMC is on the other side. So used to doing the vintage ones. They're on the other side. But here you go. IMC1. And see, I don't hate. You have to know about the new PEZ as well as the old PEZ. I don't know much about the new PEZ. A lot of it I learned from your questions and gathering the dispensers. So the question was, what is the difference between a Foodmaker and a Jack in the Box dispenser? It's the back of the head. The back of the head, if we can zoom in properly, right here, it says Foodmaker. It's in one straight line. The Jack in the Box says it's manufactured for Jack in the Box Company, and there's a bunch of lines here on the head. Those are the only 2 differences I can find in the mold. I have been all over this thing. I was trying to find any difference, but no, they were copying very well. Down there in, I guess it was Hungary. But yeah. Those are the differences there with your Foodmaker and your Jack in the Box. It's the printing on the back of the head. So I hope that answers your question. I hope you can find all 6 variations. The stem colors will be red, yellow, and blue. So until next time...